is Jack. I'm with the customer success team here at Judy Security. Today I'm giving you a brief overview of the new shared vaults functionality on the Judy Password Manager web extension. The extension is available for Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Today I'll be showing you on Chrome. I'm going to start by showing you how to pin the Judy extension. You can come up here to the top right corner and hit this extensions button, and then hit the little pin next to Judy. Once you've done that, it'll show up here next to it. You can click the Judy icon and log in and go to your vault. Here we're in the password manager. To access the shared vaults functionality, you can hit the green shared vaults button here in the top right corner. If this button is grayed out, shared vaults might have to be activated for your company. This can be done by the champion user first logging into this screen and accessing the shared vaults button. That should give everyone else in the company access as well. It could also be due to your browser extension or Judy client itself being out of date. Alright, now we're in our shared vaults home. Here's where you'll see all your vaults. And then to create a new one, you hit the green create vault button here in the top right. Let's call it There we go. You can see the new vault shows up here with your other ones. To share this vault with someone, you can hit this gear settings button in the lower left corner of the vault, and the share menu will pop up. I'm going to share this one with Shanique. You can search to filter the names. And there we go. Now the vault has been shared with Shanique, and she'll see that as well on her screen. To create credentials within the vault, you can hit this arrow in the lower right corner. Then hit this blue new credential button. Create a secure auto-generated password. I'll just Google as an example. There we go. Now the new credential will show up here. And to edit or delete any credentials, you can click on them on this menu and hit edit. Alright, and that concludes the shared vault tutorial for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out and we'd be happy to help. Thank you very much for listening.